This 12th Sunday in Ordinary Time, nagbigay po ng readings. Our readings show about Job. Sino po si Job? Sa Old Testament po, doon sa ating Bible. So, ano po nangyari kay Job? Job was a rich man who was actually sorely tried. Ang dami niya pong trials in life. Nawalan siya ng lahat, nawala ang kanyang mga mahal sa buhay, nawala ang kanyang yaman, nawala po lahat. At yung kanyang asawa actually survived. Ang sinabi ng kanyang asawa, give up. Okay. Blame your God for all the bad things that happened to you. Pero hindi niya po ginawa. And in fact, he praised God. Double. So, when he grew older, pagkatapos po ng kanyang mga trials in life, ano po ang nangyari? Ang nangyari po actually is dinoble ni God ang kanyang mga blessings. At yun din po ang mga nangyayari sa atin. Di po ba? Minsan ganun din po. And what about the gospel? Yung gospel readings naman po ay tungkol sa storm at sea. They were actually asking Jesus, why are you sleeping? Why are you asleep? Ganito na yung nangyayari sa atin. Talagang grabe na yung bagyo. Andyan ka lang, natutulog. Pero ang sabi ni Jesus, stop! And there was calm. Yes. So, and the people said, actually his disciples said, who is this man who even the storm and the sea obey him? Siyempre, si Jesus po yun. Okay. Enjoy your Sunday. God bless. Butterflies! Ang ganda! Looky! Look at those butterflies. Ayan, mas maliwanag. Magaganda. I'm waiting for the balls. Ayan, change of background na tayo. Okay. Malapit na po siguro yon. Enjoy your Sunday. Ayan yan, nag-change na. Change na. Mga, ano ba yan? Under the sea. Yes, under the sea. Creatures under the sea. The gospel is all about the storm at sea. Sabi po ni Jesus, okay, stop. And there was calm in the sea, and even the storm obeyed him. Ayan ang inaantay ko talaga naman. Ayan na po, ayan na mga balls. O, baka matamaan kayo ha. Ayan na po ang mga bola. Yes po, so colorful. So have a colorful life. Yes po. So, bye. Enjoy. This is Simply Jane saying, God bless you. See you on the next vlog. Bye!